Hello and welcome. You're watching Texo Judgment of the Day. Today we are going to discuss a recent case law handled by Sestate Mumbai in the matter of Credence Property Developers. क्या cancellation of booking flats पे tax refund मिलेगा या नहीं? Let's understand the same through this video. The applicant, Credence Property Developers, is engaged in providing construction of residential complex services. The appellant filed two refund claims of service tax paid in respect of two flats, but were later cancelled by the said buyer itself. Further, upon cancellation, the appellant refunded the amount of advance paid by the buyer along with service tax, but thereafter filed the refund claims of the amount of service tax paid on the cancelled bookings. The applicant was of the view that issue regarding the cancellation of flat is considered as non-provision of service as specified in Service Tax Rules 1994. The Honorable Sestate, after considering the submission made and facts of the case, found that the first principle of service tax is that tax is to be paid on those services only which are taxable under the said law. However, where the buyer cancelled the said booking and the appellant refunded the booking amount to the buyer along with service tax collected, it would mean as if no booking was made and there was no service at all. It was found by the Honorable Sestate that in the instant case, it can be safely concluded that no service has been provided by the appellant as the service contract got terminated and the consideration for service has been returned. Therefore, the amount which was earlier deposited as tax is merely a deposit and the department has to return it to the assessee. So, the Honorable Sestate with the above findings allowed the appeal filed by the appellant by holding that the appellant is entitled for refund. So, if in your case you are not able to decide about the tax refund paid in case of cancellation of flats, you can take references from the above case law. I hope you understood the above case law. This is Anshu Saini from Texo signing off for today. For more details, you can log on to www.texo.online or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a nice day.